How to transfer money from BNP Paribas. BNP Paribas is a leading multinational financial services company based in Paris, offering banking, investment, asset management, and insurance services across 65+ countries. First, download BNP Paribas application from Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account. On homepage, click on Pay and Transfer button. Once you click there, you're going to see these 6 options here at the top. However, in order to transfer money, click on this button here called Transfer. Then click on Account Transfer. Input amount, how much you want to transfer. Select your transferring from account. Select Transfer to Account. If all that looks good to you, go ahead and click on this blue transfer button. That's it. Thanks for watching.